Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a wonderful brand new super duper video on IELTS writing module. I know many students are struggling with writing and they do not understand how to start, and sometimes they don't know how to finish their writing skills. Okay, writing module is the most important module because writing is something where students lack. At times I've seen students get 6.5 in other modules, but in writing they get 5 and all that. Let me tell you, in order to improve your writing, I have compiled 2 books, one for academic IELTS candidates and one for general training IELTS candidates. These books are going to help you as well. These books are available in printed form in Pakistan and PDF form all over the world. If you want to get it, there is a little administrative cost and we can send you the books. Now, let's see. Whenever we talk about IELTS writing, most important one is essay writing, because essay writing is equal to 6 band and task 1 report writing is equal to 3 band, or letter writing for general training IELTS candidates. As far as essay writing is concerned, the first and most important thing is to identify the type of essay which you are supposed to write. In IELTS, we have 4 major types of essays: opinion, discussion, problem solution, advantages outweigh drawbacks, or positive negative development. So the first thing is you need to see how to identify. If it is opinion essay, they will ask you for your opinion. For example, how far do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Is this a positive or a negative development? Do the advantages outweigh drawbacks? Do you believe? Do you think? So you understand it is an opinion essay. Secondly, we have discussion essay. In discussion essay, they always write discuss both views and give your own opinion. Okay, so you can easily understand that this is a discussion essay. And then problem solution, causes and solution. They give you a problem, you need to tell the causes and solution. So we have these essay types, and advantages outweigh drawbacks. You can easily understand that. Now, most important thing is you need to know that there are 3 essential parts of essay, and part 1 and part 3. These 2 parts are constant, but the middle part, which is what we call body of the essay, that is variable, like we change it. Introduction is always there in every essay. Conclusion is always there in every essay. But in body, we write minimum 2 paragraphs and maximum 4 paragraphs, and it depends on the layout of the essay that you have adopted. Sometimes number of paragraphs, they depend on the type of essay that you are writing. So like this, you understand how to write your essay. Now, first of all, once you've identified the topic, the type of essay, then you need to understand the topic. And in order to understand the topic, it's a very good idea to read, reread, and interpret essay question statement into your own language. You can translate it into your own language for better understanding. And once you are clear about the topic and the type of the essay, and you've decided on the number of paragraphs that you're going to write, you can start. Now, how to start? Please follow me. I'll give you a complete layout of your essay after this video. You will fly in the air in order to write essay. Okay, so the first paragraph. Well, first paragraph is called introduction, and this paragraph contains 3 sentences. Sentence number 1, general sentence about the topic. These days, nowadays, at present, and whatever you want to say. So a general sentence about the topic will be written as first sentence. Second sentence, paraphrase the topic. Whatever the topic of the essay is, you need to write it in your own words. We call it paraphrasing the topic. And sentence number 3, that is what we call thesis sentence. And sentence number 3 depends on the type of essay you are writing. If you're writing opinion essay, you give your opinion here. If you're writing problem solution essay, you tell the examiner that you are going to tell the problems and the solutions. Okay. If it is a discussion essay, you tell the examiner or the reader, in this essay, I will discuss both sides of the argument before reaching a final conclusion. So like this, you're going to complete your introduction. That is the first paragraph of your essay. Once your introduction is over, Now you need to write body paragraphs. So if it is an opinion essay, either you agree or disagree. So 2 paragraphs for the reasons why you agree or why you disagree. If you write a discussion essay, you're going to discuss both sides of the topic in 2 body paragraphs. If you write a problem solution essay, 1 problem, 1 solution, 1 problem, 1 solution, 1 problem, 1 solution, 3 paragraphs. And if you're going to write advantages outweigh drawbacks, so why you think advantages are more, number 1 reason, number 2 reason, and why other people believe disadvantages are more, this is what we call contrast paragraph. Okay, so like this you're going to write your paragraphs. Now what to write in body paragraphs? Remember, your IELTS essay writing paragraphs, body paragraphs should not be stuffy with ideas. Like if it is problem solution essay, you are talking about 20 problems and 20 solutions. No, you have to be specific. So the first thing is, in your body paragraph, you will present the main argument, whatever your main argument is. Then you will explain that main argument. You will write, by this I mean what I actually want to say. So you will elaborate that main idea here. Okay, then you're going to give a relevant example to strengthen your idea. You know, examiner wants well developed ideas. Strengthening your ideas is very important, and for that you can use explanation and you can use example. And then you're going to conclude your body paragraph. Therefore, that is why if it is a problem solution essay, you're going to give a solution. Okay, so like this you're going to design your 2 body paragraphs. And if it is an opinion essay, now you can write contrast paragraph. If it is advantages outweigh drawbacks, positive negative development, you will write a contrast here. And contrast is what other people believe. It's the opposite view, or we call it opposing view as well. You will write a contrast paragraph, and this would be written in 3rd person plural. People think, people argue, some people believe that, but I do not agree with it. Something like this. And then towards the end, you're going to write conclusion. In conclusion, once again, you restate your opinion, you restate the reasons for your opinion, and then you can say something more, or a general statement which may be related to future, which may relate to future, okay, or anything like that. So like this, you're going to conclude your essay. Make sure you write 250 words. Make sure your answer is relevant. Make sure paragraphing is proper. Make sure vocabulary is varied, variety of words in your answer. So like this, you can get good bench score. Thank you so much, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world. And in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service. We offer PTE classes. Okay, we have study material for computer delivered IELTS. We have study plans before your IELTS exam. We have books on IELTS speaking and writing. So if you want to get any of these services, you can contact me and I'll give you all the details. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.